Hi. So at this point, I want us to take a look at how to remove items from the dictionary because for all the supported mutations, we have learned about how to add, how to update. And so now we want to learn about how to remove because remember that I said when we say a data type supports mutation, it also includes removal. Okay, so we're going to learn about how to remove items. And once again, Python has several ways with which you can remove items from a dictionary. So we are going to take a look at some of them. So the first one is pop. Okay, so it is a method called pop. It is similar to the pop method that you saw in the list videos. This time around, when you are popping, you need to specify the key that you want to pop. And remember that when you pop, you can receive the value, after which that value is going to be deleted from the dictionary. So I can say country name is equal to country.pop, and I'm going to pop name. So what it means is give me the name of the country as defined in the country dictionary, and when you finish, remove it from the country dictionary. So I can print the country name here. I'm going to use F strings. So I'll say country name. So I'll put in the country name for variable substitution. And when I finish, I'm going to print the country dictionary again to confirm that the name should be removed. And I'm working in a file called dict remove. So I'll say python3 dict remove.py. Python3, okay, sorry. Dict remove.py. And you can see that indeed we are able to get a country name. However, after that, you can see that because we called pop and we supplied the name as the key to pop, it actually removes it from the dictionary. So you can see that this is our entire dictionary now, and there is no key value mapping for name and Ghana because we have popped it. Okay. All right. So the next method I want us to learn about is called PopItem. And whenever you call PopItem, it is going to remove the last item in your dictionary. And remember that from Python 3.7 upwards, dictionaries are ordered pairs. In previous versions of Python, they were not ordered. So I mean, we might have defined our dictionary this way, but when we loop over it, which we'll see very soon, we'll see that it wouldn't come in the order that we have defined. But because we are using Python 3.7 and above, there is that ordering. Okay, so I'm going to say country.PopItem. So when I pop item, I expect that the last item, and remember that the item is the key value mapping. Okay, so the last item is going to be removed, and I'm going to print an empty line before I print the country dictionary again. So I'll come in here, run this program, and you can see that when we called pop, it removed the president item. President maps to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And I said when you call the pop item, you are removing the last item in the dictionary. So the last item prior to the invocation of the pop item method was president, which contained Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And so when we call the pop item, we remove it from the dictionary completely, and these are what we have left in the dictionary. Now I'm going to show you the last method that you can use to clear the dictionary completely. So you remove everything, and then now we have what is known as an empty dictionary. Okay, so to call the clear function is as simple as saying country.clear. And once I do this, I'm going to print an empty line, and then I will print country again. Okay, now let's come in here, run our program again, and see what we get. So you can see that after we invoke the clear method, we are getting empty curly brackets, which denotes the fact that we have an empty list. And so that is what the clear method does. So let's take a quick break, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about how to create an empty list and start building things up from there. So I will see you very soon.